Welcome back YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Corvette SUV, a groundbreaking addition to the Corvette lineage that seamlessly blends performance, luxury, and practicality. Under the hood, the Corvette SUV boasts a formidable 5.5-liter twin-turbocharged DOHC V8 engine, delivering an impressive 1,064 horsepower and 828 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse enables the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, offering exhilarating performance that rivals many sports cars. The exterior design is a harmonious fusion of Corvette's iconic aesthetics and modern SUV styling. It features a bold front fascia with a distinctive grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines that not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to its performance by reducing drag and improving stability at high speeds. The inclusion of carbon fiber elements helps in weight reduction, further optimizing the vehicle's agility. Inside, the cabin exudes luxury and innovation. Premium materials such as leather and carbon fiber adorn the interior, creating an upscale ambiance. The driver-centric cockpit is equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity and an intuitive interface. Spacious seating ensures comfort for all passengers, making it suitable for both spirited drives and long journeys. One of the standout features of the 2025 Corvette SUV is its versatility. Unlike traditional sports cars, this model offers ample cargo space and a higher driving position, catering to those who desire performance without compromising on practicality. This unique combination positions the Corvette SUV as a compelling choice for enthusiasts seeking a vehicle that excels in both excitement and everyday usability. In summary, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette SUV redefines expectations by delivering supercar performance, sophisticated design, and everyday functionality. It's a testament to Chevrolet's commitment to innovation, offering a vehicle that truly caters to a diverse range of driving needs and preferences. Thanks for watching.